everyone, this is Bailey with the Cobblers Memorial Public Library, bringing to you our latest teen STEAM kit, a cotton ball launcher. This activity comes from Science Buddies, who I'll link down below. And you can grab this video's corresponding kit on level 4 in the teen department while supplies last. In your kits, you'll find instructions, 2 toilet paper tubes, a popsicle stick, 2 rubber bands, and a cotton ball. You'll also likely want to grab scissors, a ruler, a pencil, and tape. The first step is to take 1 toilet paper tube and cut it in half lengthwise. From there, I'm going to get some tape ready before I squeeze the tube to about half of its original size in terms of diameter. The goal is to make the 2 ends have narrower openings than how they looked originally. For this portion of the project, you can measure out your diameter with a ruler so that you can be precise when dividing it in half. Or you can simply guesstimate. Once you're content with the revised diameter, tape your tube so that it keeps its new form. Now, place 2 slits opposite one another on the tube you reconfigured. The recommendation is that these should sit roughly a ½ inch from the roll's end. You can make these cuts with a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife before sliding the popsicle stick through the openings. I'm going to put that tube to the side while I now work on the second one. This tube needs 2 pairs of slits opposite one another that extend inward from the edge of the roll. The slits should roughly be 1/4 of an inch long and a ½ inch apart from one another. Loop 1 rubber band through each pair of slits. The rubber bands should be slid all the way until the cuts end. You can strengthen these tabs by placing tape on them after the rubber bands are in place. It's now time to combine your 2 tubes. Insert the one with the popsicle stick inside the tube with the rubber bands. Make sure that the rubber bands are placed at the back, and the popsicle stick is at the front. Next, loop the rubber bands around the pencil. Your launcher is now ready to test. Take your cotton ball and place it on the end of the tube opposite the popsicle stick. To launch, pull the pencil back a couple of inches before letting it fly. If you complete this STEAM project, feel free to send or take us some pictures of your final projects. We'd love to see what you come up with.